Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Joshua Daniel here with another Mavic update. Unfortunately for me, it has been a storm for about the past week. It's probably going to continue until the weekend. Just one of the drawbacks of living in a rainy country. Hopefully for you, it has been nice and bright and you can go out and play with your drones. I should be getting some more videos up on the weekend when the weather clears up, but you never know with the conditions here. Anyway, you can now use your first edition DJI goggles with the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 2 Zoom. I think the racing goggles were available straight away. I'm not entirely sure because I only own the original white ones. So to do so, you're going to have to update your DJI Assistant. So I went over to the website and went over to downloads on the Google goggles, downloaded this, and when you plug in your goggles to your computer with the update installed, after a brief moment, you should show your version information. Now you can see for me, I have it on 1.04.04, so I'm going to update to 1.04.05, and after the updating, it's going to turn off a couple of times actually, and it's going to open up some folders, which is actually quite frustrating. But to give it some time, it takes about 5 minutes, and your goggles will now be compatible with your Mavic 2. Right, so now that I've updated these, let's just switch over to the inside cam. Now, unfortunately, I was trying something new here, so I hope you forgive the poor video quality. I have a GoPro inside the goggles to try and show you what the screen shows. So you're going to want to go over to the settings. Tap on that. Go to linking settings, switch down, and now you'll have a new option, which is Mavic 2. So click on that, and it's going to switch over. It takes 10 seconds to switch over for some reason. After switching that, you'll be able to link your goggles, so just click the confirm, and then you have 1 minute to press the linking button on your Mavic 2. So the linking button is on the opposite side of the SD card, and all you need to do is press this button. After it, I think it was like 20 seconds or so for me, it connected and was linked. Now I did have to do this process twice for some reason, but after doing it 2 times, the first time I turned on my goggles and the drone together, they automatically connected, so it now is compatible. And when you control the gimbal with your head, you can look all the way around and you can even see the legs of the drone because the new Mavic does have the extra gimbal rotation features. So this is how you're going to be able to use your goggles with your DJI drone. I hope this was helpful to you. If you're looking at purchasing some goggles, you can use one of my affiliate links below. It doesn't cost you anything, but sends a few pennies my way and helps support the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll be up with some more videos in the coming days. And until next time, peace.